Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Today I am going to discuss another function named called RANDBETWEEN. What do you mean by RANDBETWEEN? RANDBETWEEN means you can create some random numbers from a range. How to create random numbers? If you want to know how to generate a random numbers, then let's see today's video. In here there are some names, and in the column section there are some days. I want to create some random numbers between 1 to 100. How can I create this? Then let's start today's video. I input here RANDBETWEEN. RANDBETWEEN. You can see there are some syntax at bottom and then top. What do you mean by bottom? Bottom means the start number and top means the end number. That is a range. Bottom, if I select bottom 1 and then top 100, that means they have generate some numbers between 1 and 100. Okay, then I select bottom 1 B1 cell, then top 100 B2 cell. Now I generate absolute reference for this cell, then enter. Now I drag and drop this cell. Wow, they have generated some numbers from 1 to 100. If I click in here 50, then they have generated some numbers 1 to 50. If I generate in here 10 to 50, they have 10 to 50. There are some created numbers from 100 to 20, 100 to 200. Okay, if you like today's video, then don't forget like and comment and subscribe this video. Thank you everyone.